Today I'm going to demonstrate how to play the Cube Android game on Windows 10. So your first step will be going into the browser of your choice. I'm going to use Microsoft Edge. Once you're in the browser of your choice, you'll go to the address bar and you will type in www.bluestacks.com. After that, you'll hit the enter button. Once the website loads, you'll go down, you'll click download BlueStacks 3N. This will bring you to the download page. At this point, you'll have to click the download button. Once you click the download button, you'll get a information window at the bottom of the screen. Then you can go, and to the right of the save button there will be an arrow. You'll click on that and then you'll click save as, and you can just save the BlueStacks installer in your downloads folder. So you'll just click the save button at this point. The download should start, and then once the download has finished, you'll get this notification at the bottom of the screen. So at this point you can just click the run button to start the installer. And then you'll get a open file security warning window. Now you can just click the run button again. You may get a user account control window. If you do, you'll just click the yes button within that window. The process should finally start the installation, and you'll get the BlueStacks 3N installation window. At this point, you can just click the blue Install Now button. This will start the process of installing the BlueStacks 3N executable. Please bear in mind this process may take up to 5 minutes, but I am going to fast forward this process for this video. Once the installation is complete, you'll click the blue Complete button at the bottom of the window. Then the BlueStacks player will boot up for the first time, and this may take 2 to 3 minutes depending upon your PC's performance. So once again, I'm going to fast forward this part for the purpose of this video. Once the initial boot is finished, you'll get a improve location accuracy window, or you might not, but if you do, you can just click the agree button. After that, you'll get another window. You can just click yes here, and then you'll have to select your language. Since I am speaking the English language, I'm just going to select English, and then I'm going to click the Let's Go button. A couple other tasks will be performed in the background. And then you'll have to sign in to your Google account. I'm going to do that now. Once you've typed in your email or phone, you'll click the next button, and you will then type in your password. After that, you'll click the next button again, and then you'll have to agree to the terms of service and the privacy policy, and once you've done that, you'll click the I agree button. Couple more tasks will be finished, and then you'll be brought to the home screen of the BlueStacks 3N player. Now what you can do is go to the top left hand corner and click the My Apps button. After that, you can go to the System App folder, click on it. Then you can go and click the Google Play icon. This should bring up the Google Play application, and then you'll click here and you'll type in the Cube, and then you'll select the cube here. You'll have to go down a bit since there are a couple applications named the cube. You'll want to select the cube that's by Voodoo. This will bring up the cube page, and then at this point you'll click the install button. The cube application should start downloading, and then once it is downloaded, it will start installing. After that, you can just click the open button. This should start up the cube application. You'll have to give a couple, or you'll have to allow it a couple permissions. So you'll click allow, and then you'll click allow again, and the application should start up. You'll notice that the cube icons have been added on your desktop right here. But that's about it. You can now play the cube application just as you would on an Android phone. If you guys have any questions or comments about this tutorial, please leave them below. And if this video has helped you install the cube application on Windows 10, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a good day.